Who got him?
Can I shoot one of them? Ah, I don't. Wait, let me go. Let's go get the fish though. I'm gonna go get it. This is a big one.
Pick your pole up and bring it with you.
Can we eat that one?
Yeah.
Oh, he said yeah, didn't he? Lincoln, we're gonna go get him on the fish bill.
Let's go weigh him.
Alright, don't move that. Don't move that. Sure, let me bring him.
You can lead the pole if you got him off hooked. Don't drop him. He'll get back in that water. You done lost your first fish of the day.
Alright, go get the fish bill.
Say cheese.